Hey guys and gals, welcome to another exciting episode of Superbike Racer with the Maestro. Today we have an interesting array of machinery that we're going to be following down 9 Mile. Here you see creeping up on us a Mercedes-Benz AMG 63 GT. This is a 4,700 pound sedan, and it's going to be running with the likes of this Porsche GT3 and this Porsche Turbo S. Do you think it stands a chance? Well, we're going to find out. Oh, and by the way, if you guys would be so kind to like and subscribe, maybe I'll be able to afford to buy some more tires so I can continue to bring you these videos. Thanks again, and enjoy. One little suggestion: if you're an intermediate or a novice rider or driver for that matter, and you see some machinery coming up behind you hard, don't brake, but just move over to the right, maintain your speed, and let them go by. And that makes it a lot safer and a lot easier for everybody involved. So just kind of a request that I'll put out into the stratosphere out there, and hopefully somebody will pick up on it. Now it's just the Tuono versus the GT63, and oh my goodness, look at this thing. This is like the Titanic on steroids, driven extremely well, carrying great speed, and what a motor. This blew me away. I did not expect this, so sit back and enjoy the rest of the ride and watch this incredible almost 5,000 with passenger and driver pound car just ripping down 9 Mile. Could be a Mercedes commercial. Maybe I should call them up. Maybe it's Lewis Hamilton in the car. I don't know. No, he's in Italy this weekend. That's right. Now these guys do it perfectly, by the way. They just pull over, maintain speed, no drama, no fuss, no muss. Thank you very much. Have a nice